Music. Magkakaroon ako po
How are you feeling, Kat? Parang mawala yung... Parang pagod na pagod ka, booked and busy, January pa lang, ha?
Saya start to the year for sure.
Oh my God, but this is such a blessing. 7 years.
Yes, very much
The passion lives on.
Yeah, it's not hard to be passionate when you work with such passionate people. Siguro nahawa lang ako sa passion nila. Here at NCCA, like every year, they're always trying and encouraging community engagement with the arts, and that's something I really admire.
You've seen this, wala pa to. 'Di ba? 7 years ago.
Yes.
Ano yung pinaka na-appreciate mo sa growth din ng tourism, arts, at yung pagsulong natin?
I think I really admire that people are continuing to support and create spaces where the art can really be showcased and shared, because art doesn't thrive in a closed room. No, it's really something that's meant to be shared, that is meant to inspire, that is meant to be felt. So I really admired na kahit nung pandemic pa, tinutuloy lang ang mga work ng NCCA to really engage with the community, to allow art to be spotlighted. And it's not just art in the sense of fine art or spoken word, also films there, architecture, dance. So there's so many different variants of art, and I think that's wonderful because Filipinos are so talented and our art deserves to be spotlighted and recognized.
And speaking of film,
art,
alam mo na,
we were
isi-segue
talking
na namin, di ba?
Oh.
Kat, alam mo, you've been in the media and entertainment for so long that nung sinabi nga sa akin na first film mo pala.
Oo.
How was
First
it?
pala yun?
Yes, first talaga. Siguro, hinihintay lang namin ng perfect timing and yung tamang project. And how could I say no with an incredible director?
Yes.
Direct Irene, and also an incredible cast. So to even be considered for that participation in that film, I was really kilig, but also pressured ba? Pressured ba ang tamang tawag na I really wanted to do a good job. Ayoko akong maging weakest link in the film, but I was really so supported in the whole process. I did workshops for it. So, very out of the comfort zone para sa akin, but I'm very excited for people to see the film, The Loved One. It's coming out February 11.
If only you're allowed to, of course, tell us, ano yung character mo dito? Sino to?
I don't think I can sploop muna.
Okay.
Siguro,
Queer ba siya? Parang may ganun ako nabasa.
Ay, wow! Let's see!
Kat, sorry, kinakareer mo lahat. Ilang workshops ang tinake mo? Hindi na ako magtataka. And
Siguro dalawa-tatlo.
how was the first day on set? Ano yung parang...
I was so nervous talaga kasi talagang new arena for me ba? And I've never been able to see the behind the scenes of how a film is made. So talagang ni-observe ko lahat, like how they do the blocking, how they prep the actors. So, and I was really asking so many questions kasi very cool yung experience. And I just wanted to learn.
Kamusta si Anne? Kamusta si Echo?
They
as
were so
co-actors?
fantastic. Siyempre, I see Anne a lot sa mga events namin. And Echo naman, I'm not really familiar with him masyado. We've run into each other at a few events, but they were both so kind and they really kind of paced me through it siguro, which I really admire because they don't need to do that. So siguro that speaks volumes about their character and
Does this
also as
mean-
actors.
Yeah. Does this mean you're gonna do a lot of films? Maybe you're gonna do more films this year?
Well, siguro open talaga ako.
Wow.
Kung tamang project. Let's see. Sana yung reception sa film na to.
Ano
is
yung
maganda
tamang
rin.
project para sa'yo? What are you interested in? Because I know hosting, kahit nakapikit ka, kahit tulog ka ata, kaya mo mag-spills eh. Di ba?
thank
Pero
you.
like, kamusta? Anong storya yung gusto mo? At ano ba yung mga pinapanood mo?
Oh, siguro yung mga storya needs to speak to me pa. Siguro it just has to align with me as a creative also. Like, it has to be the right story, the right direction. I think I really admire the whole creative process in anything mas lalo film. So,
Drama,
let's see.
drama horror?
Valentine
Wag
movie.
naman sana horror kasi I'm so...
Matatakot
in real
ka.
life, yeah.
Oh my
I'm a scaredy cat 100%. So, wag na lang
Hindi ka
horror,
pala
please.
pwede doon.
Pero Valentine movie ito para
Oo.
kumbaga top national arts man pa this February. Parang tama ba yan para sa
Yes.
arts for this
Yes.
ano?
Oo.
Absolutely. Tamang-tamang Valentine's film siya, love month film. Lahat ng emotions nandun ng pelikula.
Uy, series. I'm sure after nito, o-offeran ka na. Oh my God, si Kat, open na pala. Push na. Hindi nag-stop. Oo. So,
So let's see about our next acting project.
kamusta yung taping hours?
Kaya naman.
Oo, kaya. Kaya. Kasi, hindi, kasi iba yun eh, di ba?
Oo, diba? Iba
Pag
talagang
nag-live ka na.
endurance.
Correct, oo.
Oo,
Pero
so
kaya
let's
ng
see.
endurance mo yan.
So, hindi ko alam.
You
pa ako na-try.
You do local, you do international. Who do you want to work with? Both.
Oh my
Local,
gosh,
international.
honestly, hindi ako maging picky kasi ang dami talagang talented na artists and I feel like kahit sino sila, I will have something to learn from them. And I think that's what I really admire. Kasi, I mean, in any field naman, pero mas lalo acting, you're able to take on a character. And I think everyone has a different way of doing that, or a different method. And I would really love to just observe that. So, siguro, whoever I can learn from, which I think is a lot of people.
Sinong actress yung who you look up to?
Hi, Julia Montes. Locally, I think she's incredible. I've seen some of her films. And we're under the same management. And she's so sweet in person. So I just really admire how she can shift. Oh.
Grabe, it's a new year. Oh, 2027. What else are we gonna look forward to?
Oh, more music this year.
Yes!
Talaga. Kicking off from Every Christmas that I released last December. Actively writing music. So I hope to see a full body of work come out this year.
Oh, wow.
So
As an
I'm really
album,
looking-
ganyan?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
EP.
Ilang songs?
Yeah.
Wow.
5 to 6.
Mas memorize Memorize na. I love it. 5 to 6. Gusto ko yun. Kasama pala sa backup singer pa. Woo! Harmony pala.
Super connected at the hip kami.
What are you writing about?
I'm collaborating with a lot of different people. So some of them are joint concepts, some of them are my own, some of them are reminiscent of like my journey in adulthood, or even through love, life experience, even like
Personal.
looking at myself, my younger self, and like who I am now. So it's a little bit more retrospective. I'm not attacking my music in a way that I want this to be number one.
Got
I
it,
really just
got
want to
it.
create a body of art.
I love it.
That's why I'm very like flattered to be here once again as NCCA art
Oh, yun
ambassador.
nga, exactly.
because I get to be surrounded by incredible, talented artists, and it really is inspiring to be in that
Amen.
company.
May, pwede na daw.
Collaboration
Yeah.
also with
Ooh.
local artists.
Who do you wanna collaborate with?
Oh, we have them up and coming na po. Tatlo na. Tatlo na in the pipeline. Can I splook? Hindi pa.
The only one is with Nino.
Okay. I have an upcoming collaboration with Nino Franco.
Wow,
I've been
okay.
working with him. He's a designer based out of Mindanao. I've been wearing his pieces through Miss Universe and even
Oo.
beforehand. So I have an upcoming ready-to-wear collection coming out with
Ooh.
collaboration with him.
Where is it coming out, your RTW?
It'll come out on, first
I mean,
order.
is it online platform, brick and mortar
and then
store?
we'll do online
Pop-ups.
platforms and also pop-ups.
I love it. Okay, we'll stand by for
So
that.
supporting the local communities also sa
Galing.
paggawa ng mga beads
Oo.
and embroidery.
Last year, furniture. Ngayon, the RTW.
Yes! Tuloy-tuloy talaga mga creative pursuits.
Baka painting na next, ha?
Siguro, why not?
Oo.
Lahat.
Lahat.
Of course,
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much.